Hello and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we will be sorting returned data from a T-SQL query in ascending order. So we will sort the returned data in ascending order. I have got my SQL Server Management Studio opened, and I'm going to open up the new query window. So this is a new query. This is where we'll write the T-SQL query. So I need to select the right database. So database will be AdventureWorks. If you forget to set or to change the database here, you can specify it also here in the query window by using this use command followed by the name of the database. By doing it this way, the query will definitely use the database you have specified here and disregard what is listed there. All right, so let's start. So the database is AdventureWorks, and the table I am going to use is the person table and the person schema. So let's start with the select. Okay, and then I always like to select the tables first. Select the schema. This is the schema. And then if you put a dot, it gives you the list of tables. This is a table. And these are the columns in the table. So I want the first name, the middle name, and then the last name. So I'll type in first. It picks it up because I've already specified the table and the schema. So I just click on that, comma, and then select middle name. Again, it's picked that up, and then last name. Okay, so I've got my table. Now I need to specify the sorting using the order by keyword. So it'll be order by. So we're going to order by the first name, and this time we're going to order it in ascending order. All right, so the go is not really part of the query. You can see the query here from there to there where this line is. Okay, and that's the end of the query. By default, T-SQL will sort the returned data in ascending manner, whereby the order by specified, it will sort it in ascending. But I'm just specifying it just to ensure that, so that you know the difference between ascending and descending. The default is ascending, which is alphabetical from A to Z. So let me run that. All right, so you can see it sorted the first name in alphabetical order. All right, so these are the first name. If I just scroll through and so on. So this is how you would sort data returned by a query in ascending manner. In this lecture, we sorted out returned output from a T-SQL query in ascending order. Thank you for your time.